Just came back from running some errands. It's an exciting day today. I'm gonna give you guys a little run through of the shop because we're pretty much done with like remodeling it. About 90% done with it. We're missing like some couches, that's about it. That's gonna complete the whole remodel of our shop. But exciting stuff, exciting stuff. My interior came in from Germany. Finally, the rear interior panels. Trying to get the car running this week. It's the end of April. It was my birthday on the 25th. You feel me? Shout out to everyone that told me happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. I know a lot of this. But yeah, I'm really excited, man. I'm gonna open this interior, probably do a little what's in the box and see what's to it. So I also went to go buy a GoPro. I've been recording on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Finally made that investment on the GoPro. Pretty sick. It's a 4K joint. I honestly don't know much about them. I got the little headset thing. Throw it on the head. We just recently started mowing lawns. Grass is really green right now. A little shorty. Shout out to shorty. And then I got the micro memory card for the GoPro. And I got this adapter so I can edit on my laptop. Excited stuff. Make some investments for the channel. So hopefully the video quality get better with this GoPro. And you're gonna see more point of view ways of how we work and how we use our machines. So it's gonna be really cool stuff. But really hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, what's up guys? Do a little quick review of the new shop. We remodeled it. We're just missing just the couches really for our lounge area. But we redid the whole landscape. Check out the sign first though. So we got the sign done with a little natural edge planting. Got some really dope statues in the corner. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. Check out this one. My dad did the gate. Did the natural edge. You got some boxwoods. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. Some rose bushes. I think that's a flower tree right there. Tall grasses. Looks pretty sweet. From what it was, do we have before? I might have before and after pictures, but it was hideous. But really nice and simple design. You know what I'm saying? Blends really well. The only thing that's really bad here is the lawn. We applied some weed kill on it to kill the dandelions and the weeds, but it's gonna get better over time. So, you know what I'm saying? But that's the landscape that we did for the shop. Oh yeah, we got a flag. We got a new screen door. You guys remember the other one that was all beat up? Got some really expensive. Oh, what are these? Flower pots. It's awesome, man. These motherfuckers are not blue. We painted the whole shop. It's pretty tight. Really a lot of space in here. Got some couches here, couches there, so after work, come and chill for a little bit. I wouldn't. So yeah, we painted everything. The bathroom too. Looks really nice and clean. Check it out. Quick look. Looking clean. Check out the kitchen area. I know you guys remember that bogus ass fridge. Stainless steel. You know what I'm saying? This is the kitchen where we eat and shit, you know what I'm saying? Got the Rios right here on the side, you feel me? Y'all already know what's in here. The fridge be full, man. You know what that means, man. Alright, let's go. That's the kitchen. Got the office area right here. Shout out to Fred, shout out to Levi, shout out to Julio right here. You know what I'm saying? You got the cameras right here. Pretty tight. We got like a total of like 20 cameras surrounding the shop. Top flight security. Check it out. So we got Levi. This is the room for the little baby. The plane got little toys right here. Got a nice carpet. I don't know if you guys seen it. I did the little tile work. Move it off. Got the little TV right there. We watching Memphis Grizzlies go crazy right now.
This is Chris Haynes.
Alright, yeah, like I said, it looks tight in here, man. Empty this out. This is a lot of machines that we're selling that we don't use no more. It's really old ass equipment. Yeah, besides the machine, it's a good machine, but we don't got no use for it. Like I said, we got all new equipment. So this is all the old stuff that we're trying to get rid of. My dad did this, him and his homie. They did the new flooring. I know you guys remember from the old video. There was nothing in here. Had like really old tile. Got some vinyl wood flooring. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. A little toaster area for the employees to make the little bagels. You feel me? Like I said, they be eating like a motherfucker. Oh, they want my grapes. But this is it. The little laundry area for the employees. Got a mini fridge, and this is where the clock in right here. Fingerprint. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Well, I win. I win. Also, all the magic happens. Got a little electric car. We're using to be whipping around the shop for a little bit, little cruising around the block. You feel me? Okay. Cutting that motherfucker. Pretty fast. Goes 40 miles per hour for an electric car. Not bad. Goes the EF, the project car. Got the little GoPro. I'm gonna be using for the future videos. Got a little head strap too. I have on my head. That looks pretty cool. And I got the shorty. Shout out to my shorty, folks. And yeah. Alright, so we got my trailer right here that we use. I got a ZK 252 right standards in there. These are our plows for the snow. There's our winter truck right here. It's my baby. Actually, it's my brother's. This is my truck right here I use for my fleet. It's one of our first trucks. 2003 Chevy Silverado 3500 diesel. That goes my other brother's truck right there. The 450 power stroke 2018. Big diesel. He has 250. He has a 60-inch John Deere, 52 John Deere, and a right standard 36 adjustable deck. This is our fertilizer truck. It's an F250. We got this big tank we spray the lawns with. If your lawn has dandelions, weeds, or whatever, we handle this with our Speed Zone 2,4-D. Handle that real quick. The fertilizer, just the cart. Yeah, pretty nice truck, man. Like I said, we got a lot of new shit. Here goes our tilt trailer. That's our leftover bolts from the jobs. That's our little fertilizer trailer. The dump. This is our other Bobcat trailer that we use. We got 3 Bobcats. Got a lot for big jobs. Like right now, we're doing a big job in Lennox for this guy. We're gonna put, I think, 1,000 solder rolls there. Right now, we made a big retaining wall, and they're doing like a huge, I think it's like a 40 by 40 paver patio they're doing right now. Might throw it in the video if they got some footage. This is our dump trailer, Big Tech 2017. Bought it brand new from the dealer. Baby, it's amazing. And this is our shirt track dump trailer that we have. This is a little bit longer. I think this is 16 footers or 14 footers. This one you mainly use for mulch. And this one, I mean, we use them both for the same thing, but we really like to use this one for mulch because you can fit hella mulch, like up to like 12 yards of mulch. This is our crate. It was empty last time. We got it big full. You feel me? We got our winter snow blowers, and then all the buckets we use for salt, and some dollies. And this is our backup. So this is our Big Blue. Big Blue is a truck that we use for chipping. So it's like it's a gas truck. Like I said, it's not. Like I said, we were strictly team diesel over here, but it's one of our first trucks, and it's always been reliable. You feel me? If one of our trucks goes down, we end up using Big Blue. But we usually mainly for wood chipping. As you can see, it's really high, and we can stack up hella wood chips, so it's really convenient. And this is our backup landscaping trailer that we use. We have shovels. We got a little MT100 in there to do little jobs. So we got 4 routes. We got 3 routes that go cut grass, 5 actually. One that does fertilizer, one that does landscaping. And the landscaping truck, it's the same truck like that, but single cab. And this is our other truck right here. This is our 2004 450. It has the, what's this one got? The 7.3 power stroke diesel. The bad motherfucker, we had this shit for a minute. Shout out to July. Good ass truck. Inside the pole barn. Those are old Bobcat. Those are big. 740 is my baby. Like I said, all diesel, team diesel. This is our backup CTO 52-inch. This is what my brother uses on his fleet. Standard X 52-inch. A 36 right. And this is an EF. They're all EF5 by the way. Besides the 36. And adjustable deck. And these are other MT100. The other one's at the job site. We got 2 of these puppies. We got another one of those actually. I think this is a 2019. Another one we got is a 2016 740. So we got 2 of those, 2 of these. Our chipper, and this is our oil that we use to change on all our equipment, all lawnmowers, Bobcats, and yeah, the Harley Road. What this does, it turns any grass, turns the grass into dirt, like topsoil dirt, and we use this when we do like when the house is more new sod or whatever. This does a lot of the work. Really, the only thing we have to do, and it grades also. It grades really nice. This shit does a lot of work for us. Really nice piece of equipment. And like I said, it's our first Bobcat that we ever bought. See what I'm saying? That's the OG. But that thing, brush off, drain tile machine. These are all our extra bags that we have from the machine for all the big machines. Extra blowers that we have for parts. We got weed whackers up there. Sod cutter. All our shovels are right here. And then this is another attachment for our Bobcat. We use this to grab branches and anything that's really big. This shit clamps it up like that. It's pretty cool. Our compactor, we use patios and pavers. We got 2. The other one's at the job site. We got 3 actually. And then we use this to move the trailer, so we'd have to connect the trucks. Connect the little MT100 to it. Put that attachment on, and it moves all the trailers. So it's really convenient. Here goes our shovels right here. There's an axle for one of our trailers that broke down on us. Extra tires right here. Then we got our tanks for the welding. And fire hydrants in the corner. As you can see, we got rails now on the 2nd floor. There's a little paddle jack. Over here is our welding room, and this is where we got our compressing air compressor. As you can see, that's a big motherfucker right there. Welder. We got 2 welders actually. So a lot of up here is where we keep our shit for fertilizer. And it's also like a storage, so we have like extra stuff that we don't really use anymore, so we keep it up here. These are all pumps that we use for spraying weeds and spraying lawns. And these are all this is a crane right here. We got new ones, new pumps right there. It's a tiller. And then like all that shit in the corner is like storage of old stuff we don't use anymore. Well, this is all right here. All this shit we use for our fertilizer. It's all chemicals. The back of the salters up here, we got 3 big ass salters. And these are like the back of them. And we got them stored up here. But that's pretty much the shop. As you guys can see, we organize it pretty well. In the future, actually in a few weeks, actually, we're gonna get some lifts for our big diesel trucks. And then in the garage where I had the EF, we're gonna get a lift for our cars, so me and my brother can work on our future cars that we plan on buying. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pack that little garage for our dream JDM cars. So it's gonna be sweet. Let me know what you guys think. It's a little compact pack in here. Can't talk. But we have a lot of shit. We didn't realize that we had so much shit until we moved in. But like I said, it's a blessing. And we're gonna keep working hard to get more shit. You know what I'm saying? And at our house, we got a little series going at our house. So I never had a backyard in my life. Never. So we're remodeling our yard and our house. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna do like a half court. It's gonna be 36 by 30. We're gonna get lines, 3-point lines, a block. It's gonna be really sick. We got 72-inch Gorilla rim all ready to set up. We're gonna get the concrete done there. We're gonna do a little patio with a fire pit. We're gonna do some limestone retaining wall there. It's gonna be really sick. I'm gonna do some videos on that at the house. And yeah, man, I'm really excited because, like I said, never had a backyard all my life because we always had all of our equipment at our houses, and it was a disaster. And now that we have all that space and my dad, we're gonna take advantage and make the house look really nice. And yeah, man, I'm excited to show y'all. But we're gonna work on the car now. I'm gonna show you guys the interior that we bought for it, and I hope you guys like the shop. Interior, I'm gonna go ahead and get into. We're gonna do these are the rear interior panels, so it's for SI. I'm gonna lay them all out. Yeah, this one goes to the trunk. Got idea where this shit goes. We got one side. panels in the back. Rear panels. Trunk. And that's it. Then we got the seats. As you can see, we're gonna install it. Already got the seats in there. So we're gonna see how this shit fits.
On the beat, boy.
Think, be honest. What you think? Cool car, huh? Cool car. Hey. Chill out. Chill out. Alright, so we just found out that this car is from Canada and it's 10 out of 88 of these cars, so
Nah.
super rare. Got the interior, man. Hey, what y'all think, man? What y'all think? I see I get a headliner now. Alright guys, as you can see, we got all the interior installed. Looks like an actual car now. I just didn't put the seats through the holes yet because like I said, I'm gonna take these to get done. But it looks pretty sick. I'm just missing the headliner now. I gotta get a new light. And then we're gonna clean this up, finish installing that over there. And yeah.